Hi everyone, I'm going to do this with live, make this easy, so if anyone wants to jump in and engage, let me know. I'm sharing the new M.Y.O bottles. Yes, so I had the opportunity to be a part of a focus group with other makeup artists and also flight attendants. This was really cool. And this was about trying to create travel size bottles that actually work for your products, because I know I see makeup artists transport products into containers they buy on Amazon or Tumi or whatever all those sites are, and then they break or they crack. And the reason is because the packaging is not designed for the ingredients that are in those products. And so when I travel, I actually really like using Suzanne's palette, and I get the little pods, which we're all used to. In the little pods, you can fill it with moisturizer, any skincare, well, not any skincare, most skincare, and even my deodorant I can put in here, foundation, concealer. I love these. And so now she has expanded that to this. So let me show you what these look like. So you open the box and you get the, oh, look at that. She even put my initials on them. I love that. So it comes with stickers, and these stickers say things like cleanse, primer, sunscreen, night. That's what these are for. And then I'm going to show you what's really great about these bottles. They're really lightweight. And so this one's a pump. And there it is. So it's actually glass. And glass is going to be a material that's actually going to sustain your products better. It's not going to crack. So this is an aluminum. And then it goes right inside there, and that's going to protect it. And this is actually much lighter than this. So what you have here, you can put your foundation, you can put serums, moisturizer, sunscreens, all sorts of products in there. And this little 4-pack comes with 2 sprays and 2 airless pumps, and they're great for being refilled. And just think about it, like, are you really going to carry all of this when you're traveling? I mean, I want to carry all this, but I use something like this, or I'm going to use something like this because it's brand new, and something like this. And they also have created this great little, beautiful, we'll call it Fill and Clean Performance Kit. And oh, look how smart, it comes in a little baggie. And that has a spatula, a funnel, scrubbers and cleaners. Let me show you what that looks like. There they are. And what I love about this brand and product, so they have a little funnel, is they have a very strong mission towards reuse, recycle, even the materials that these products are made of. She's part of PACT, which is an environmental and sustainability program with the cosmetics industry. And so I just wanted to share these. They are gorgeous, they are lovely, because I know when I travel, and I've spoken to a lot of people, the free products that you get sometimes, the soap, the shampoo, the cleanser, you know that's going to kill your skin. It irritates you. It's usually really inexpensive and cheaply made products, high fragrance. Also the water where you're traveling might be different, so hard water versus soft water. And so I love that there is an option for me to carry all the things I really love, but not all this weight, okay? So check out M.Y.O, her new products, and they also, just in case you don't know, so they have the little pods, and they're all the different depths, and I'll show you here, little depths, see the difference there, and they also have different colors, and she even makes cute little powder puffs, right? So you can function, you can have your powder, your blush in these containers, traveling around for work, for the holidays, and it was a fabulous focus group. So if you have any questions about this, please feel free to ask. I want to talk about a product that I'm like, meh, over, or don't like. I only like to speak about products that I use and I love. So check out M.Y.O, check out Suzanne's brand, and I hope that you enjoy learning more about M.Y.O's new products. Take care.